It's the Witches Workshop, episode 2. Hey witches! I hope you had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Really quickly, I just wanted to give a shout out to my friend Hallie at The Common Room. She has an adorable shop where she makes awesome Harry Potter teas like this one. It's the Turn on the Light tea, aka Lumos. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Carolyn. I'm just your fellow witch living in a muggle world. Here on my channel, I like to do lots of DIY things. I like to organize, I like to decorate, I like to transfigure or do room makeovers. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button to join our online family. And if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. On YouTube, I do my best to do weekly videos as much as possible, but over on Instagram is really where you will get your daily dose of magic. Today we're actually going to be making this Deathly Hallows Wreath. I made this from the branches in my backyard, and all the other materials were bought online. I mean, in Diagon Alley, of course, not online. Diagon Alley, for sure. All joking aside, majority of these materials were bought online, so if you guys are looking for a good craft project at home while you're sheltering in place, I will list all of the materials down in the description box for you. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let's begin with the branches I used to make the triangular shape of our wreath, or invisibility cloak. They're straight from my backyard fig tree. Michael was able to cut these for me with some hedge clippers, so no need to bring out the chainsaw. I have laid my grapevine wreath, or resurrection stone, inside my branches, so that I know how small I need my triangle to be. With some floral wire, I'm going to tie my sticks together at all 3 corners, but don't worry if it's ugly because we're going to wrap it with some burlap twine to ensure that it's nice and tight. Cut a really long piece of twine. Don't try to wrap it while it's on the spool, trust me, it's such a pain in the butt. To start off, tie a knot, then wrap it around several times in one direction. Then switch to another direction, creating this X kind of shape. You know, like back in elementary school when the Indian trailer came and they all had us make tiny teepees. You guys had that too, right? Once you reach the end, go ahead and seal it with some hot glue, then repeat the process for each point. As you can see, my branches are a bit long, so we'll need to trim this down. Michael is using our circle saw, but you can probably get away with scoring it very carefully with a knife so you don't ruin your triangle shape. Now it's time to attach your resurrection stone to the cloak with some more floral wire. Take a piece of wire and twist it around nice and tight. It's basically the same idea as little twist ties you find on loaves of bread at the grocery store. You'll need to do this in 3 different places in order to keep it in place and prevent it from sliding around. With this wire ivy vine garland, I am just going to wrap this around our resurrection stone to cover that not so cute floral wire and secure our circle even further. When wrapping this around, make sure to only wind it around the triangular portion in the same places we twist tied it with the floral wire. Otherwise, you're going to get this weird spidery look. Using that same garland, take a small piece and attach it vertically. This is going to be our elder wand. Yay, we finally have our Deathly Hallows symbol. Now let's decorate with some greenery and flowers. Next week on June 3rd, I will be doing a clean and decorate with me video for my Harry Potter living room, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified for the premiere. A special thank you to Raven from The House with the Dogs on Instagram for inspiring this DIY. She actually did a larger version of this wreath for her kitchen. When it comes to decorating with flowers, I always start with the leaves as a base, then go in with accents like this baby's breath to fill in the gaps, leaving the flowers last so that they are on the top and the most visible. Since many of you watching this are Harry Potter fans, I would like to invite you to join the Harry Potter Summer Reading Challenge I am doing with my friend Natalie at All of This and Nat. You can find her here on YouTube and on IG as well. The challenge will be via Instagram. The goal is to essentially read one Harry Potter book per week over the summer. I have created some house-themed templates to help keep you on track. You will find this Ravenclaw one on my IG highlights along with the Slytherin version, while Natalie will have Hufflepuff and Gryffindor on hers. Alright, here is the final product. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this with someone you want to inspire. Don't forget to come back next week to see my Harry Potter living room and how I organize my bookshelf. Bye-bye now.